Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. I'm always looking for that piece of home decor that brings in warmth but doesn't feel overly dressed up for my everyday use. Well, this art PineCone cotton woven placemat and coaster set has been the perfect addition to my home space that brings in that little touch of class without being fancy. Let me tell you a little bit about why it's been a wonderful addition to my home space. The neutral tones and clean and simple woven design are just what I was hoping for. They have effortlessly elevated so many spaces in my home. As you can see, my farmhouse dining table immediately went from plain to finished. My island countertop from cold to warm and inviting. This set came with 4 13-inch round placemats, 4 round coasters, and a round storage basket, all in the same texture and mixed brown color. They're made from a high-quality premium cotton material that has a super soft texture, and it feels great on your skin as you use it, and it's also super gentle on your dishware. This set has been crafted with heat-resistant materials, so my table and countertops will stay cool to the touch, even when the serving containers on top of them are sizzling hot. So when you set your table with this art PineCone placemat and coaster set, not only is your food going to be displayed in a beautiful way, but you're also going to set the stage for a really warm and inviting dining experience. And that's my point of view.